guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Hailey, and today, since we're still not able to go outside, I wanted to do a fun Easter eye look. Maybe do some fake freckles because I've always wanted to try those as well, and I've never really had the opportunity to, or I've never really tried to. So we're gonna try some fake freckles and do an eye look. So I'm gonna zoom in and we can get started. Okay, so now that I've zoomed the camera in, we are going to do the fake freckles first because I think that they're like kind of springish and summer, like when you get some sun, you get like a couple freckles. So I got this brow pencil in like a makeup bundle that I got from Sephora a little while ago. And it's the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics in the color 3, which is way too dark for my eyebrows. So this is gonna probably work perfectly today for me. I also have freckles normally. I'm a redhead. I have a lot of freckles, but when I'm wearing like a full face of foundation, obviously you can't really see them. So I wanna just do like the couple like cute freckles like on your nose, kind of like under your eye, like on your cheeks, because I have freckles all over my face, which we've covered. So now I kind of just want to add a couple little freckles in there. I'm gonna warm it up a little bit because it's kind of stubborn. To me, Easter and spring is like pinks, yellows, blues, like light purples, anything kind of pastel is Easter to me. So I'm gonna do that. But first I wanted to go in the crease, just kind of like with a transition, just like a light brown shade, nothing crazy. I just want to give it a little bit of dimension because I'm gonna mostly be doing colors on the lid and underneath. So we're just gonna go in with like any old like brown color. So now we're gonna go in with the Morphe 35 eye palette, which I used in my last video, and we're gonna play around a little bit more. Like this is a pastel palette, so this is gonna work best for the look I'm going for today. I forgot to put like an eyeshadow primer down, so I'm just taking a little bit of concealer and plopping it on our lid. Now that we have that on there, I'm gonna go in with a nice light yellow shade, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner and halfway across the lid. Now we're gonna go in with a pink. I think the next step we're going to do is I'm going to put on some eyeliner now, and I want to do a wing today. I think I just prefer wing liner when I'm doing any kind of look, really. So I'm going to go in now with my Maybelline Master Precise All Day liquid liner in black. I'm just gonna do little wings on both eyes, maybe big. We'll see how they turn out. Now we're going to put on a little bit of mascara and we can put on our lashes. So obviously, if you prefer not wearing fake lashes, you can just leave the look like this. I would put more mascara on if I was just gonna leave it like this, but I like fake lashes, so I'm gonna put them on. It just makes me feel a little bit more done up while I'm sitting at home. Makes me feel a little bit better about myself. Okay, so now that we have the lashes on, first of all, these are the Lily lashes in the style Miami. This is the first time I'm trying them, and I love these ones too. I tried MILF in my last video, and I really liked those, but something about these ones is just, I'm really here for it. But they're very, very dramatic, and you can't really see the eye makeup that we did already. So I'm actually gonna go in now and put the colors a little bit more into our crease just to get a little bit more of something in our crease. So now on our lower lash line, we are gonna go in with blue because again, I think that's super cute and Easter-like. Okay, so there we go. I put the blue on the lower lash line and I think that it's super cute. The pink's taking over the look a little bit. It's definitely very, very pink and a little bit brighter than I anticipated, but I still think that it looks really pretty. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about the eye look, what you think about the freckles, if you think this whole thing kind of works together. And the last step that we're gonna do is I'm gonna add like a little pink lip because again, spring, that's all I'm thinking is like pinks, light pastels. So I'm gonna do a pink gloss and you can see the whole thing all put together. So I'm gonna go in for the lip gloss with the Tarte H2O glosses. I'm gonna go in with the colors Hang 10 and Room Service. Hang 10 is a little pink for me. So I'm gonna go in with that one first. And I'm gonna put a little bit of Room Service on top. So that is the final look. By the way, these glosses are really, really incredible. I have a bunch of like the little trial ones from a Christmas box or something, I think last year, but I really, really love the formula of them. They're a little bit sticky, honestly, so in like a really windy day, they're not the best gloss because like your hair will get stuck to it. The colors are amazing. The payoff of the colors is really nice. They're not patchy, like you don't put them on even though they have a good color payoff and you're like, okay, like there's a spot here. They're really good at covering. They're very, very hydrating on your mouth. You're not gonna have dry lips at the end of the day. They're really, really great to have on your lips and they're a really good price. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please, again, let me know in the comments down below how you think I did, if you like the eye look, if you like the fake freckles, if you like the lip. Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to like this video if you can, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be putting out lots of new videos, and I would really love to have you guys stick around and see, and we'll just try things out together and have fun. And so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!